Mercedes' vision looks even greater with its 111 looks. Long before Mercedes started making anonymous jelly candies with the personality of a pod, it produced quirky cars that were revolutionary at times. The company sought to recapture that magic with the Vision 111 concept, which pays homage to the experimental C-111 vehicles of the 1960s and 70s. They pushed the limits and discovered the power of Wankel and turbodiesel as well as outstanding aerodynamics. This is groundbreaking these days, hence the concept is all-electric and adopts a new battery concept using high-performance liquid-cooled cylindrical cells with a new cell chemistry. They are accompanied by an extremely powerful and highly efficient axial flux motor. Mercedes was coy about the details, but noted that the axial-flow engines are roughly a third smaller and lighter than conventional engines, despite having the same output. Besides the mysterious powertrain, the concept has a retro-inspired design with its flowing bodywork and gull-wing doors. These are accompanied by a pixelated grid that interprets the characteristic round lights of the C-111 in digitized form and can also transmit a message to other road users. Looking further back, aggressive side skirts and massive wheels stand out. These are accompanied by a distinctive rear diffuser and a digital display reminiscent of the front. The interior is a bit plain, but Mercedes says it reflects a paradigm shift from a self-driving sports car to an autonomous electric vehicle in the super sports car segment, combining two completely different states of existence. As such, it has lounge and racing modes, with the latter aimed at DIY driving. Putting that aside, the interior features a pixelated screen that gives the concept the feel of a subway station. Other highlights include polished aluminum accents, bright orange leather and white fabric made from 100% recycled polyester.